Shotgun wedding. Shotgun wedding. This is, yeah, my granddaddy, folks, made my daddy and my mama get married at the barrel of this shotgun. No, that did not happen. That did not happen. That never happened. Yeah. This, you notice it doesn't have the hammers. I do have them, but they're not on here. What? It could have. There's this. I cannot read what's written on there anymore. But this shotgun has been in my family since the 1880s. The 1880s. That's really not that long ago, but I mean it's over 100 years, I guess. But I mean, it's just not that many generations ago. It went from, I forget the provenance. I think it went from the Price family to the Cuthrell family to the O'Connor family, which would be me. My granddaddy used it. It was a double barrel break. Yeah. I haven't messed with this in so long. That's not a good sign. Well, it's supposed to break open, and it's not doing it. There you go. There's writing and stuff down there, but no, I've never fired it, never will. It would probably explode if I did. I don't know the make or model. All I know is the year. Like I said, I can no longer read what is written on here, but I do remember it was made in the 1880s. And it went from, I believe, the Cuthrell family from the Price family to the Cuthrell family to the O'Connor family, which would be my granddaddy, and before that it would have been, I guess, his daddy. Now you have to understand that my granddaddy was born in the 1890s, so we're not talking, like I said, this is like, with me it's 3 generations, or no, 4, because it was me, my daddy, my granddaddy, and my great-granddaddy. That's 4 generations, so it's a little longer than I thought, because I usually don't include my generation. I include the generations prior to me. But I would like to, somebody soldered this. I don't know if you can see that. I would like to get it cleaned up, make it look nice. Now, I don't know if those caps require a charge on them, or not. So I don't know. I don't know if these you would just fire, or if you would need to put a cap on there, but so anyway, I'm not really sure where to share this on Facebook right now. I guess I'll share it in one of the groups that I'm a member of and that I'm active in, and maybe somebody there can suggest a better group to share this shotgun in. Like I said, I've never fired it. Probably never will fire it because I'm afraid the thing will blow up if I do. If I don't know when the last time it was fired. And like I said, I do have the hammers, although one hammer is broken. The top part where you would pull back the hammer is broken off. The screws or whatever that went in here to hold the hammers on, I don't know where they went, and I don't know what goes there. Okay. Let me see if I can. Well, anyway, so yeah, and I have a 50 caliber muzzleloader flintlock right back here. I guess you could say I like old guns, eh? But it's not that I like old guns, it's that this has been in my family and it's going to stay in my family. I'm not sure who it's going to go to after me. I'm going to have to find somebody because, well, I'm not sure even which side of the family I'd want it to go down to. I kind of feel like it should stay on the Cuthral/Price side of the family, since that's basically where it came from. But then again, it was given to my dad, who would have been an O'Connor, but my dad's family are not American. My dad's family are Canadian and European. Then again, I'm European, but I don't live in Europe anymore. But I have family on my dad's side that do live in Europe. My grandmother and my grandfather both came from Europe. One side, well, actually, both sides are Irish, but one side came from Scotland, but they're of Irish stock. And then my granddaddy was Irish, and my grandmother was from Scotland. But and the traditional employment on my dad's side is either merchant marine or longshoreman. So probably even built ships too. Probably worked in the yards building ships. But this is my granddaddy's shotgun. My granddaddy was John Litchfield Cuthral of Aurora, North Carolina. He was a farmer. I bet you he took his fair share of coon and possum and deer and whatnot with this thing. But anyway, thanks for watching.